Sectional property is the same as affordable housing policy stroke regulations when buying. Sasa majina ni Njogu Surveyor. Hii ni Land Surveying Civic Education class. Tunajua Kenya kuna hii project inaenda hii boma yangu under the President Ruto where anajenga affordable housing. Sasa mfuasi anauliza mwenye amesikia nikisema about sectional property. Sectional property ni where a building is divided into different units. These different units are owned by different landowners. Each landowner has their title deed. So in short, it's maybe a gated community yenye iko na bungalows, na hizi bungalows hazina fence in between, so mtu ana own kamoja. Ama hii shamba yenye apartment ama flat. Unakuta apartment kutoka 4th floor mpaka 7th floor na unakuta mtu ana own maybe ile 3B ama 4B na mwingine ana own 7th floor ikiwa yote. Sasa ndio so we get back to your question. Sectional property, is it the same as So sectional property na hii project ya affordable housing, they are quite different but zina relate. Easy mambo ya affordable housing, what happens, the National Lands Commission ndio the body that has a mandate to convert public land to any other to either private land ama to another use. So what happens, National Lands Commission normally pick shamba ambao is either from the national government ama from the county government, then it is set aside for the housing project. After the housing project happens, the first thing is that they'll ensure a surveyor comes on ground, anachora, let's say shamba ilikuwa kubwa na affordable housing imechukua tu eka moja ama eka tano. After imechukua eka tano, ili wakuwe na roads, wakuwe na swimming pool, wakuwe na staircase, wakuwe na green park, ikiwa in 5 acres. So hii shamba iko set aside by National Lands Commission. National Lands Commission imetoka kutoka public land either owned by national government stroke Ministry of Land, county government ama national government, either it is able to set it aside for housing. After housing, surveyor draws a survey plan which has been authenticated by the director of service. After the director of service, what happens, they ensure that hii shamba is inaenda to the county government na ensure imefuata all planning zones na all bylaws either za county ama za national government kuhusu spatial plan of the county and bylaws from the physical planning department, zote zinadhibitishwa na inawekwa tick. So kutoka hapo the next thing ni 100 units zinajengwa. 100 units kijengwa, hapo ndipo kwa boma yangu ndio tunapata sasa mambo ya sectional property. So because ile shamba already either iko under leasehold ama leasehold, lakini iko under fixed boundary kwa sababu surveyor alichora survey plan. Once imekuwa hivyo, sasa once iko under fixed boundary, it is easy to convert it to sectional property na sectional title deeds natolewa. Kila mtu kwa boma yangu anaenda kwenda nyumbani na title deed yake. So that is what project President Ruto is opposing. Na those are the steps that zenye zinaendelea. All this information is for purpose of Land Surveying Civic Education class. Let me not be interpreted at all. Kama una swali yote, my number is always in the bio. You can always call, and remember to sort a cup of coffee. Thank you.